All right, YouTube. So just wanted to let you know, buyer beware. Sorry for the dead bug in the corner. Bought this Best Buy Essentials large fixed mount, 37 and 90 inch TVs, mounting it up there. So I bought this about a month ago, and in this kit, it has E all the way to A, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, this is a month ago. Now I just so happen to have an extra bag because I didn't need for the other TV this mount. Now bought it another one, exact same thing, large fixed mount, 37 to 90 inch, same number, BEMLFX, and you can see the reference here. There's the one with the bug stain. Okay, we're gonna open this up, and this is blowing my mind for 20 minutes, frustration. So hopefully this saves you some frustration. So this is the old kit, about a month old. E to A6, new kit, E to Q. What happened to A1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6? We don't know. So I'm over here trying to mount this TV, which is identical to the other TV. They're both Samsungs. This one I think is 65 inch and the other one's 55. And the only one in the new kit they gave me was this. And you have to put the bolt through here and put it through there. And of course, this fits, or supposed to fit. It's the wrong bolt. Wrong bolt, sorry. Spacer. Oh, sorry. It doesn't fit because the spacer is too big. That's the only spacer they have in the new kit, in this kit. See, universal spacer, 20 millimeter, now it's just universal. There's no way to like break it off. There's nothing to make it universal. So thankfully I had the old kit, didn't need it. I need this bad boy right there. So let's open this up. There you go. There we go. Look at that. And then the bracket, of course, goes into here. Everything nice and tight. Now, I didn't have to return it because I had the extra kit. But, not sure why Best Buy did that. So, hopefully this 3-minute and 30-second video saves you some time and aggravation. Have a great night.